The next category in the 2025 Baggie Awards is the Chart Artist Award. Everyone loves a good bit of technical analysis, but everyone deep down inside knows that it's astrology for Finbro idiots. Our 4 nominees for this category prove that to be more than correct. Those nominees are...
Hey, this is Jim. It's 11:58 a.m. in California on November the 8th. GME is starting to take off, by the way, and it's re-entered its expanding megaphone melt-up fractal. So I think the first targets are a hidden retest at 26.75 for GME, and then we have speed line up into the $30-$40 level, and then...
If you don't know about Jim, or BAMinvestor, or as I like to call him, Scam Investor, here is your introduction to him. A chart guru who uses algorithms, according to him, to determine what the mythical short sellers and evil market makers and hedge funds are doing to manipulate your favorite stocks. This guy spent 1 year in a hedge fund, got fired for being probably, more than likely, an incompetent boob, and has been parroting his whole gimmick since the ashes of the great financial crisis in 2012, where he's been most known as the guy who thought that Apple was going to go to $45. Jim knows enough about the market to be dangerous and to make up shit on a whim that sounds convincing, like wet blanket algos and trampoline bottoms and a whole bunch of other fucking nonsense that keeps baggies entertained like a jangling set of keys in front of their face. In reality, though, Jim doesn't know his ass from his fucking elbows, and it is so obvious.
What's going on, guys? Ants Trades back with another video. Pretty much candle for candle. You know, from this breakdown here in March, and I was talking about this on my live stream, I mentioned that this green section here looked a lot like this. So I was like, huh, that's funny.
You know, I'd love to show you a more up-to-date video of Ants Trades, but he has decided to paywall not only his entire catalog of 2025 videos, but the vast majority of his 2024 videos. Ants Trades is most well known in the AMC community for his fractal technical analysis. And if you don't know what fractal technical analysis is, I'll have Tony Dinero here in this wonderful video explain to you exactly what it is.
Fractals is...
I've never heard of that. What's this whole fractal thing?
Oh, you pick a pattern that you like from a year or two ago, you rub it, you flip it, you roll it over, and if it looks good to predict what you think you want to happen for the next time frame, then you paste it on the end of the current chart.
And that perfectly summarizes Ants Trades grift.
Alright guys, what is up? You are back for another video with Data Zero. This is your daily outlook prediction for stocks and crypto. This video is not financial advice.
Data Zero never has a name more perfectly describe the product. Data Zero is a live streamer who does do clip segments of his live streams and does a whole litany of meme stocks. He's of a dying breed of TA analyst when it comes to the meme stock community, slathering his chart with so much gobbledygook nonsense that you can't even tell what the fuck is going on. This sort of slop TA kind of gotten away with in the early days of the meme stock community, but nowadays it's kind of passe. Even still, it is amusing in its absolute slapdash method to just try and put so much shit on the board you can divine whatever the fuck you want out of what you put on the screen.
Crypto is now about to enter extreme fear, and we got some major news from the Bank of Japan that they are to start selling ETFs as early as January of 2020.
The information he gives is so important he doesn't even tell you who he is, he just has a low bar that pops up briefly to explain it. It's lottery stocks. Imagine if you created a meme stock chart analysis person that combined all of the best of our 3 previous people into the shittiest meme stock TA analysis. The attempts to make some sort of fake facade that he's some chart guru mixed with splattering the shit screen with everything he can think of TA related plus fractal analysis. Congratulations, you have lottery stocks. And that's exactly what he does. He talks as fast as he possibly can, hoping you will never latch on to a single word and realize he has not a fucking clue about anything. And those are your 2025 Baggie Awards nominees for Chart Artist of the Year. Polls will remain open until Saturday, December 20th at noon. Get your votes in while you still can.